Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language in Windows. First, open your computer's settings application. You can find this by clicking the Start button and then the gear icon. Once open, look for and select the Time and Language option. From there, on the left-hand side, you will see Language and Region. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Now, you will see a button labeled Add a Language. Click this to open a new window. A comprehensive list of available languages will appear. Scroll through or use the search bar to find your preferred language, such as Spanish or French. Select it, then ensure the box to Set as My Windows Display Language is checked before clicking Install. Once your new language is installed, it will appear in your language list. To make it your default, simply click the three dots next to it and select Move Up until it is at the very top. This ensures Windows uses it as the primary display language. For these changes to fully apply across your entire system, a quick restart of your computer is essential. Finally, if you have any languages you no longer use, you can easily remove them. Simply click the three dots next to the language you wish to uninstall and select Remove. This helps keep your system tidy and ensures only the languages you actively need are present. It's a simple way to manage your language preferences efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.